Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Service Host Diagnostic Policy Service. And if you are installing any application or any game and then this CPU usage or memory usage appear, then let's completely fix that. Okay? So let's start. First is you need to locate your cursor here at the Windows icon, then do a right click, then go to run. Okay, so once you're here, you need to type services.msc, then click on OK to enter. Okay, so once you're here at the services, you need to locate anywhere and then press D in your keyboard to locate diagnostic service, diagnostic policy service rather. Okay, here. Just do a right click and then click on stop. Okay, so once you start your diagnostic or once you stop your diagnostic policy service rather, just have to simply close this and then restart your computer. Okay, so once you after restarting your computer, you need to copy this command. Just do Control A, then Control C to copy, and then let's go to run again by doing or by simply pressing Windows and R key together. Then let's delete that, then Control V to paste, and then click on OK. So once you're here, you need to click this srudb in caps dot dat and then do a right click and click on delete. Just have to make sure that the diagnostic policy is stopped in your computer, okay? Just have to right click and then delete and then after that close this, then go back to run again, then type services.msc, then click on OK, then locate again the diagnostic policy services, then here, then do a right click and then click on start. Okay? So after that, just have to restart your computer again and you're good to go. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.